Hello, this is our team Devinci and we are here to present our project Lyric Lab which is based on the theme Diddy's Party. This project comes under the event Webster 2024 at CodeSangam. So let me show all the features of this website. First, as you will come to the landing page of the site, you need to sign up account to use all the features of this website. So I am entering my username Himanshu1212 and you need to enter a valid email because an OTP will be sent to your Gmail account and you will need to verify it to log in into the website. So no, this is already. Let me choose another Himanshu Kumar 333. Yes, and the password. You need to valid a valid password which should comprise of capital letters, digits, and other special characters. Now send. So here we'll get the notification of account created successfully. Now let us go back to the main page and verify our account first. For verifying our account first, we need to enter our email ID gmail.com and the verification code which would be sent. Yes, this is the verification code. Your verification code to sign into Lyric Lab is 681712. Let me just copy it and paste it here. Verify. So account verified successfully. Now I would be able to log in into my account at the rate gmail.com and password as I just created. Yeah. So here you can see this is our dashboard page for a user. This is a profile in which you can update the photos. Suppose I am selecting a photo and a pen. You can upload this photo, password and a username. Now let me update it. Yeah, you can show at the top right corner the photo is being updated. Now let me take you to the other sections. These are the all task section and the rest section. First let me show you how to add a new project. Suppose my new project is Devinci. So since this project was based on collaborating songwriters, music based creators, so in the category we have songwriting, recording, production. You can choose as per your convenience. Now let me select the priority which is suppose medium. Deadline is suppose 13 November. Now I could add, I need to add more members here. Since this text editor has all the features that you need. Suppose I am selecting this text. You can apply the font here, make it bold, italic, and you can underline it, cross it, and more features are there. You also have bullet points here. Suppose from next line I will get the next point. You can choose the type of bullet points that you need and more options. Here you can add the link. Here you can select an interest and add a link and also add some photos. Suppose I'm adding this. Okay, yeah, I've selected this photo. And apart from this, if you want to add a URL of a video, you can just enter here and the URL will be saved here. I would show you later this feature. And okay, I can also add a subtask. This is a subtask feature where you can add more subtasks if you want. But for present, I am just adding one subtask. Now you can choose whether you want to collaborate on the project or not. If you don't take this option, this will be created as a personal project. Otherwise, it would be treated as a team project. So our team project is dev in C. This is our team name, and I can choose the collaborators from the users existing in this database. And for all the users you have added as a collaborator, a request will be sent to those users, and if they accept it, they will be added as a member in your team project. Now let me send an email to this Himanshu and to add collaborator, and let me add this also, add collaborator. Yeah. Now I would just publish the post. See, you can see this is a post page where you can see the title, priority, deadline timer till when you need to complete this, status, And these are all the photos here. Show collaborators. Presently, there are none have accepted the request, so there will be no collaborators. Uh, this is our designer dashboard page where you can see the deadline and the time remaining. As you complete the task, it will be. So here are all the features for the post page, in which includes selecting this feature, how many subtasks have you completed, or if you just completed all tasks, you can just mark it as completed. And the other options, edit task, you can change the title, description, add more photos, add an activity. Suppose I have done some work, I have completed beat making. This should be in the description, I guess, and title should be beat add. Now, as soon as I add this, you can go and check in the past activities for all the activities. Yeah, activities project created. Project has been created, done by Himanshu 12122, and this is the activity which I have just done. This is the by default. When you create a project, this will be created. Okay, so let me show you more features. As I have mentioned that I have sent a request to other collaborators. Let me sign in as the other user. Apart from it, if you refresh this page, you will see here notification, which is which will be created as soon as you add a task. Uh, yeah, new task has been created with medium priority and deadline number. This is the reminderly weekend, as our task is within 1 week, so we need to complete it. We can also mark it as red. Yeah, mark it as red, and if we mark the reminder as red, it will be disappear from this side. Now let me sign in by the other user. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now I have signed it as another user. Now, as you can see, this is the request section. You can come here and see. Yeah, I have been invited to a team which is name is Devin C and created by Himanshu 1212. Now I would accept this. Yeah. As soon as I accept this, in my all task section, a new project has been added named Devin C. Now when you add to the show collaborators, you can see that I have been added as a collaborator in this project. So this feature works really fine, and now I can also add an activity to this. Suppose joining, I've been assigned as lyrics writer. Yeah, past activities. Yeah. Now let me show you the all tasks page. Here you can filter by the task, and apart from this, there are two more sections. Personal task section. These are all the sections which are created individually. Beat making for them, lyrics writing, and in this section you can see all the team tasks. So this would help you to differentiate the task. So this is our filter post section. Now I can choose the priority, medium, and apply filters. So all the projects with priority medium are being displayed here. I could add more filters such as deadline, this week, or sort by latest or oldest, or I could just search the term applying filters. So see, presently all the projects have been assigned for this week only, so it is being displayed here. I could just reset the filters. Now I have more options such as you can complete the task from here also, uncheck it or check it, and if suppose so you have more options here. Suppose, as you have seen, you could just check or uncheck task. Suppose you don't want a task to be displayed here. It is inconvenient for you, so you can move it to the archive task section. Archive task. Now, see, the task has been removed from this page. You can go and check here. But suppose you have mistakenly delete a task, a project, and you need that project back. So you can just restore the task, and it would appear again to the all task section. Now you have two more sections: personal task and team task, to differentiate as by your convenience. We have two more views: the list view, and you can see here the team, no team assigned, as these are the individual projects, and this is assigned with a team. And also the count of subtasks. Calendar view. This is the calendar view. Today's date, and a task has been assigned on 13. I could just visit the task here. Lyrics writing. Now I have two features here. Like for all tasks, I have also added a drag and drop feature. Suppose I want Devin C project to be first in the order for the display. So it will be displayed here, and this is persistent. You can just go and check in the board view and Devin C will appear at the first. So this feature is quite persistent. Apart from, we have the notification section as you have seen earlier also. You could mark as. So now let me show you some more features here while adding a new project. New project. Title is new project. Category other and priority is low. Priority is low. Deadline 27. Now let me show you the record feature which we have just integrated. You can just speak it and it will be written to the text editor. This is a demo project. As you can see, as I have spoken the mic and it has automatically been written in the text editor section. Our text editor section has more features. Suppose H1, you can increase the size as per your convenience. I've shown you the font section, and I've you can just make it the text large if you just want it, or for present I will keep it small. You can bold it, italic it. I have shown you these all features. For the bullet points, you can also indent it, give the text indentation as per your need. Other things include, you can include a URL, or suppose I want to add a image. I've added an image. If you want to add a video, you can embed the URL. Suppose you want to add a YouTube video, you can just enter here. Or you could also add any link here if you want to display to your other team members, whether it is some beat making or a reference to another project. So this is our team project and this should all be shown there. Let me publish the post. Yeah, this is all be displayed here. So this is all the features in our project section. Now let me show you the Google authentication and GitHub authentication we have just integrated. Sign in. Continue with Google. Okay. So I would continue with this ID. Continue. So I will automatically be logged in here. As you can see, this is my ID. Now I could just sign out and also show you the GitHub authentication section. This would automatically be redirected as my GitHub account is already signed in with the username 0himanshu3. It redirected me to the profile page. So all the features are working fine. And yeah, this is our main project.